To change paragraph style to quote in Office Word on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, open Microsoft 365, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then find Microsoft 365, tap it, select your Word document, for example this document, next tap edit, select what you want, select text you want to change style, for example this text. Next, tap up arrow icon, scroll down the screen, select styles, and then scroll down the screen, find font. Next, tap font. Now your paragraph or text set as style, set as font. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.